Hey credit cousins, are you wondering or even been curious about whether you should carry a balance or pay in full each month on your credit card? Keep watching to learn more about what I think you may want to consider when paying off your credit card or when not paying it off. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm designer Soapbox, and we talk about how to build credit, get high limit credit cards, how to make money online, and so much more. If you find this channel of any value, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down, "Hey credit cousins," and I'll make sure to say hey back to all my credit cousins. So, to carry a balance or pay it in full on your credit cards is a well talked about debate in the credit building community. Even many of you have reached out and want to know what I thought about some of these tactics and tricks on how to carry a balance to increase your credit score. Well, today I'm here to tell you my opinions and what I currently do with my credit cards and some techniques that may help you along with your credit building journey. Depending on your credit card, you can carry a balance on your credit card and just be charged interest each month. Some cards that often get mistaken for credit cards are charge cards. You should never carry a balance on a charge card such as an American Express, for example. These are charge cards, not credit cards. You must pay a charge card bill in full each month, and they do not have a preset spending limit. However, credit cards are different. You do have a spending limit, and you can carry a balance and only pay the minimum fee to avoid any late payments. So now that you learned the difference between a charge card and a credit card, should you leave a balance on your credit card? The answer is yes and no. So it depends on the person and when you want to achieve with your credit profile for that following month. My rule of thumb is to never carry a balance. If you are carrying a balance, you are getting charged the interest, and that could add up. Always pay your statement balance in full. Then if you want to leave a small balance to report on your statement date, you can. However, let's say you're trying to buy a car or a house. In this case, leaving a small balance could be your friend because a balance around 3 to 10% can increase your credit score significantly for the following month. Also, when underwriters are looking through your credit profile, they can see the small balance reported, which can basically tell them that you are using your credit card and you are paying your bills. So I made sure to use the words very carefully because again, this is a very talked about subject, and many confuse the two between carrying a balance and leaving a balance. And when carrying a balance means you haven't paid your previous statement balance in full, you will get charged interest. However, leaving a small balance is when you've already paid your credit card bill in full. So leaving a small balance shows to the credit bureaus that you're using your credit card and that it will be your statement balance next month. There's a difference between carrying a balance and leaving a balance. And before you try to purposely not pay a balance, I would definitely learn the difference first. Again, this is my opinion and the strategy that I use. It may not work for other credit cousins. Some may not care about the extra interest being charged to them and want that additional point increase for that month. It's not for everyone, and everyone has a different scenario and plan on what they are using their credit score and credit profile for. So credit cousins, I hope this gave you a better insight on how carrying a balance, leaving a balance, and paying in full can affect your credit score and credit worthiness. Make sure you leave a like on this video, and that will tell me that you are picking up what I'm putting down. And let me know in the comment section below any more questions or tips you may have if you disagree with me in this comments, if you're comfortable, so other credit cousins can learn more about it. This channel is all about learning from each other, and I look forward to your feedback. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, and collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.